A long, long time ago. Longer than anyone can count. Before the earth. Before the moon. Before the bright sun. The universe was empty, quiet, and dark. But even in the emptiness, the rules of nature were still there. Small things wanted to come together. Hot things moved fast. Heavy things fell down. The rules waited, ready to work. And then, something amazing happened. Suddenly, there was a giant explosion. Not like fireworks. Not like a volcano. But bigger, louder, stronger than anything else. This explosion was the beginning of the universe. Scientists call it the Big Bang. In a blink of an eye, tiny pieces smaller than dust flew out in every direction. Time passed. The tiny pieces came together as gas. The gas gathered into big clouds. Gravity pulled them closer and closer. The center grew hotter and hotter. Until it began to shine. The first star was born. And soon, many more stars filled the sky. The dark universe became full of light. Inside the stars, a fire never stopped working. The stars made new things. Oxygen, iron, carbon. Things that would one day become rocks. Water, land, and even life. But stars do not last forever. Some big stars burned out. They exploded again. Their pieces flew across the universe. Like sparks in the night. One cloud of star dust began to spin. It spun and spun and spun, getting smaller and hotter in the middle, until it shone with light. That shining ball became our sun. Around the sun, dust and rocks were everywhere. They crashed and stuck together. Small pieces became bigger pieces. Big pieces became giant worlds. These were the planets. One of them was Earth. But the early Earth was not beautiful. It was hot and red. Like a ball of fire. The ground was melted rock. There was no water. No air. No trees. Only a hot rock spinning around the sun. Then one day, a giant rock from space hit the Earth. The crash was so strong that pieces flew into space. The pieces came together and became the moon. Since then, the moon has gone around the Earth, shining softly in the night. More time passed. The Earth slowly cooled down. Volcanoes blew out steam and gas. Steam turned into clouds. Then rain fell. Rain that lasted for millions and millions of days. Water filled the low places and became the great oceans. Now the sky had clouds. The land had ground. And the seas were wide and deep. The universe that was once empty now had stars. The sun, the earth, and the moon. And Earth was ready. Ready for a brand new adventure.